Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds to 9 o'clock, including news of a strange set of successes and problems around the world. As the New Zealand stock market reached a record high yesterday, the rest of the world is showing signs of expanding trade. In the US, consumer credit grew at an unexpectedly strong annual rate of 9.7% in July, to a record high and its fastest growth since July 2011. American consumers look like they're back as the engine of international trade. Germany's exports grew a remarkable 8.5% in August and helped that country post a huge trade surplus. And China's trade surplus climbed to a record $50 billion in August as exports rose on the back of increased shipments to America and Europe. But their imports fell for a second month as a property slump hurt domestic demand. Yesterday we noted the sharp fall in iron ore prices. Today comes news that Chinese steelmakers are really doing it tough, with debt levels reaching higher to alarming levels. And another big steel user, shipbuilding, is faring little better. The US Treasury 10-year benchmark bond yield slipped back marginally today, is now at 2.45%. The price of oil and gold both fell overnight. The US oil price is now just over $92 a barrel, and the Brent benchmark is just above $100 a barrel. In fact, the Brent price fell below $100 for the first time in more than a year as concerns about the rising oil surpluses grows. Russian leverage over Europe is diminishing. Gold is basically unchanged and now $1,262 an ounce. We start today with our currency sharply lower against the US dollar. We're now just on 82.8 US cents, its lowest in 7 months, but up against the Aussie at 89.2 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 79. The British pound is taking a bit of a hit as traders position themselves with the possibility of a breakup of the United Kingdom. Interestingly, BNZ's owner, the NAB, may have to take a big write-down if Scotland does win independence in next Friday's vote. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.